Struggling to choose the right furniture and decor to make your home interior better? Here's the solution. This is the before and after of our design for our subscribers' home, and we'll show you the entire process of achieving this look, including the considerations for selecting furniture and decor. In this video, we're designing a home interior for one of our subscribers, Pawan, who has a 37.6 square meter space, combining the living room, dining room, entryway, and hallway that needs a minimalist contemporary style transformation. This is part of our goal to design 100 interiors in a year, and this is the 40th design. We're really grateful because Pawan was one of the first to avail of our paid services, which has really helped our channel, since designing home interiors is not easy. It involves everything from conceptualization and space analysis to 3D modeling, rendering, and video editing. Also, if you need urgent design, visit our website at www.designburst24.com. We'll help you design and visualize your home interior so you won't waste money on furniture and decor that doesn't match your taste. Now, let's start with the living room. It has a total area of 11.1 square meters, with dimensions of 2.9 meters by 3.9 meters, which is an average living room size. For the furniture layout, Pawan wants a conversation-centered arrangement, creating a living room without a TV. His priority for this space is social interaction and relaxation, rather than entertainment via television. Now, let's analyze the clearances of each piece of furniture. First, the distance between the door and the rug is 0.7 meters, followed by 0.8 meters from the wall to the sofa. The side table and accent table are spaced 0.5 meters apart. And the distance between the sofa and coffee table is also 0.6 meters, leaving enough space to move. Most importantly, the main path leading to the dining table is 1.5 meters wide, providing ample of space to pass through. Before we dive into the furniture and decor, let's first talk about the ceiling, walls, and flooring. First is the ceiling. Pawan's ceiling is flat and lacks any architectural details. It features a simple white surface with a basic light fixture. So now we're going to change that. We'll turn it into a combination of a cove and a drop ceiling. To make the space brighter, we've added recessed lighting integrated along the edges of the ceiling. This highlights the ceiling design without making it look too bright. Next is the recessed pin light. These are small round fixtures installed directly into the ceiling. Next is the wall. The wall, painted in off-white. This neutral wall finishes like this are often used in living areas. It also pairs well with wooden baseboards to subtly frame the wall, with a height of 0.1 meters, and the thickness is just right for durability. For the flooring, we retained the tiles. They are made of ceramic tiles in light gray tones, which create a beautiful combination with the wall color and other design elements. And for comfortable access between the entryway and living area, install a double French door style. The door features glass panes, allowing for transparency, and black metal framing supports the glass. This is a stylish design choice that complements the design of the space. Now, let's talk about one of the most important furniture pieces in the living area, the sofa. You can use is a 3-seater low-profile sofa with a dark gray fabric polyester linen blend measuring 2 by 0.7 meters. This type of fabric is durable and resistant to fading. So now, what can you add to enhance the look of your sofa? You can add pillows. Mustard, white, and beige pillows can complete its appearance. They have a smooth fabric that adds comfort, making it more pleasant whenever you sit. Next is the coffee table. To enhance the space, a round coffee table adds a smooth look. It features a faux marble top with subtle beige veining and a wooden base. The ideal measurements are 0.4 meters in height, and the diameter should be around 0.7 meters. This way, you can comfortably walk or stretch your legs without feeling cramped. Now, you already have the sofa and coffee table, so let's add an accent chair to define the seating layout. Here's a wood frame lounge chair that's perfect for your space. It features neutral gray fabric for the seat and back, and a medium brown wooden frame, making the chair lightweight yet supportive. Another piece of furniture that doesn't take up much space is the ottoman. A round poof ottoman is a great way to add interest to a neutral space. It can be used as a footrest, extra seating, or even a casual side table. On the other side, a cone-based side table was added. The materials used for this are wood veneer for the tabletop and solid wood for the base. It helps complement larger pieces like this sofa or accent chair. Now, you need furniture to protect the flooring while still looking decorative. This can be achieved by adding a textured neutral area rug made of a flat weave cotton blend for lighter use. It complements the modern lines of the sofa, coffee table, and chairs without drawing too much attention. And of course, decor is essential for styling, right? So, on the coffee table, books and a vase with pampas grass emphasize subtle beauty. It's a go-to choice for minimalist contemporary interiors, while on the side table, a vase with greenery is often used as a statement piece, introducing a touch of nature into the space. Let's not forget to add curtains for privacy. You can install Venetian blinds in a dark brown tone. The primary purpose of Venetian blinds is to control light and provide privacy. Now, let's move to the other side of the living area. It has simple walls, so you can add an accent wall. Start by introducing a matte deep blue wall color, which creates a rich backdrop, and the matte finish enhances this by reducing shine, providing a subtle and calming effect. In the remaining space, you can add stone cladding. This style uses natural stone pieces cut into rectangular shapes and arranged in a stacked pattern. The stones are usually thinner and lighter than full stones, making them suitable for interior use. It has a thickness of 0.03 meters, making it easier to handle and install. So, the matte deep blue wall provides a deep, rich backdrop, contrasts beautifully with the warm gray and beige tones of the stone cladding. So now, below the stone cladding is the space for the fireplace. You can add a black wood stove made of steel, which is heat resistant and ideal for wood-burning stoves. It's common to place the stove against a feature wall to improve heat circulation. For everyday items to keep the area organized, you need to add storage. So, a 3-door wooden console cabinet is perfect for your space. It offers both storage and display options. The size of this console table is approximately 0.4 by 1.2 meters, providing ample storage. You already have the console table, but it feels a bit empty, right? Let's add a white vase with dried flowers, a decorative plate, and a stack of books below the small white bowl. To complete the look of the wall, place 3 framed pieces of abstract art, as it adds an artistic touch to the space. Beside the console table is a ficus potted plant, and it's perfect for your living area. It is often chosen as an indoor plant due to its appealing appearance and ease of care. Now, the space beautifully integrates minimalist contemporary design elements. Let's move on to the lighting fixtures. Let's talk about this slim black metal floor lamp. It provides both direct and ambient lighting. Its adjustable head allows for targeted lighting, making it an excellent choice. Additional arched metal floor lamp was placed beside the sofa. This black floor lamp is easy to incorporate into any design scheme, offering a minimalist look. The arc extends about 1.5 meters above the floor to ensure the light is directed where it's needed. Next, you can add mushroom-style table lamp with a muted teal color on the side table. It's likely made from metal, providing durability. This lamp features a unique design that enhances the aesthetic of the space. And the key lighting fixture that completes the look? The pendant light. This modern LED square pendant light features a contrast between a black metal frame and white acrylic light diffusion, making it suitable for a wide range of interior styles. The dining area has a total area of 17 square meters, with dimensions measuring 3.6 meters by 4.9 meters. This is the before photos of Pawan's space, where it can be seen that the area was mostly furnished with wooden furnitures. These will be replaced with new furniture and decor that align with a minimalist contemporary design. For the furniture's layout, it is made to align with Pawan's request. The clearances around each furniture piece are well planned. The distance from the door to the dining table is 1.67 meters. The space between the dining chairs and the living area is 0.9 meters. And from the dining table to the aquarium, there is a 1.1 meter gap, which is an ideal spacing. Lastly, the distance from the dining chairs to the sideboard is 0.6 meters. Based on these measurements, the area allows for comfortable movement throughout the space. First, let's talk about the ceiling. Before, it had a flat surface and basic light fixtures. A drop ceiling with built-in cove LED strip lighting was added. The light is bounced off the ceiling and walls, allowing the illumination to spread evenly across the area while keeping the light source hidden. Recessed lighting was also installed. This setup creates multiple layers of light. The ceiling is no longer just a background element, it is now part of the overall design concept. As for the walls, the side facing the dining area was painted with a matte deep blue color, matching the one used in the living area for maintained design consistency. Let's move on to the dining furniture. One essential piece you should have in your dining area is a dining table. A rectangular marble-look dining table, measuring 1.8 by 1.1 meters, was placed in the center. It has a black pedestal base, which provides stability for the tabletop. This table not only adds elegance to the space, but is also durable enough for daily use. Next are the curved back dining chairs. The seat and curved backrest are made of warm beige upholstery, while the legs are matte black metal. They resemble high-end furniture and pair well with the style of the dining table. So, both the table and chairs enhance the design and are well suited for everyday use. To elevate the look of the dining table, you can add a white ceramic vase with flowers at the center of the table. And the clean design of the dinner plates complement the table's marble surface. You can add a 3-drawer storage cabinet measuring 0.4 by 1.2 meters, positioned against the wall under the window. The cabinet body features a dark walnut wood tone, while the drawer fronts are finished in matte white. Since it's in the dining area, you can use it to store items such as placemats, dinnerware, and glassware. The top surface of the cabinet also serves as a place for your decorative items. A decorative glass box with open books and a white ceramic vase with preserved flowers were arranged on top. Another piece that completes this area is the framed artwork. This abstract minimal wall art featuring shapes and silhouettes adds interest. Pawan wanted an aquarium in the dining area, so we positioned it on the matte deep blue wall. An aquarium with integrated storage is a perfect option. The materials used for the aquarium are tempered glass with silicone seals and MDF finished with a matte laminate for the cabinet base. It has a rectangular design measuring 0.5 by 1.2 meters. This location is ideal because it can be easily viewed and enjoyed by the occupants. Beside the aquarium is a Dracaena plant. It is a popular indoor plant known for its graceful, long, narrow leaves and tall structure. You can also add a Ficus benjamina in a ceramic pot. It's a popular choice for interiors due to its tidy appearance and ability to thrive indoors. And for privacy, you can also add another dark brown Venetian blinds for the dining area. For additional lighting, this tripod floor lamp with a metal frame and a fabric lampshade on top is a great choice for this space. You can also add a mushroom-style table lamp with a muted teal color as accent lighting on the sideboard. Is dining area still not bright enough, right? You can add a disc pendant light with a black metal frame, and a white diffuser is a perfect fit for the look of the dining area. It is often recognized by its circular shape that hangs from the ceiling. But you can also use a triple drop pendant light with metal shades suspended from a sleek metal frame. Now, Pawan's dining area has the right furniture and decor, which you can also use in your own space if you prefer a modern contemporary interior design. Let's take a look at the entryway, which has an area of 6.8 square meters, an average size for this type of space. Here's the layout we created. We've added a few pieces of furniture and decor that fit the entryway. Regarding the spacing, the hallway measures 1.4 meters. So, for the furniture we added, we made sure nothing would block the path. The distance from the single door to the bench is 0.9 meters, while the distance from the bench to the French door is 1 meter, leaving enough space to pass through comfortably. Let's start with the ceiling. We'll keep the ceiling flat. And for the lighting, add recessed pin lights. They brighten the entryway to create a welcoming atmosphere. Then, the wall. On the left side, you can paint it with a matte deep blue. And on the right side, positioned near the entry door, you can add stacked stone cladding. Now, let's add some furniture. A soft white modern tufted entry bench will complement this entryway. The seat cushion is likely upholstered in soft white fabric, and the frame is made of metal, measuring 1.4 by 0.4 meters. You can add this soft white modern tufted bench to your home as it's a perfect fit for a minimalist contemporary look. Alternatively, you can also add an upholstered storage bench, as it serves both as furniture and additional storage. Next, to make the entryway feel bigger, you can add a mirror. A full-height, frameless floor mirror fits well in the space, and by adding LED backlighting around the mirror enhances its function by ambient light around the mirror. Then, a floating console in a mirror. The natural wood tone complements the neutral walls and flooring. It's also a great way to display your decor items, like this ceramic vase with plants, adding a subtle pop of natural color. Another decor you can add is minimalist abstract artwork on a matte deep blue wall, as it adds visual interest. On each side of the artwork, place up-down modern sconces. These sconces feature a glossy finish on the black portion, and the light is emitted both upwards and downwards. After that, place a ficus benjamina beside the bench near the entry door. Now, the entryway has a beautiful look, where as soon as you enter, the pleasant ambiance of the space greets you. Moving on, we have the corridor leading to the dining area and bedrooms, which has a total area of 5.9 square meters, with a 1 meter wide path. First off, the left wall looks a bit empty, right? So add a grid mirror wall panel measuring 1.4 by 2.5 meters. This enhances the corridor since the grid pattern becomes a design feature in itself, and it also serves the practical purpose of providing a reflective surface, making the space feel larger. On each side of the mirror, place wall sconces with a black metal finish. The sconces on either side create symmetry, makes it pleasing to the eye. You can add artwork, like this photograph with a natural landscape design showcasing a scenic view. Pair this with up-down modern sconces on either side. Now, let's move on the left area of the corridor. To tie the look of the wall together, we also use a matte deep blue in this section. This color stands out as a focal point because it dominates over the other walls. Next is the minimalist console table, made from MDF with a natural wood finish, to make the area practical. It can hold small items or household essentials and also serve as a display piece while keeping its practical use. And for a touch of color, instead of using a cold tone from the wall, we use abstract modern art. The artwork creates a perfect contrast, making the space more interesting. A minimalist black wall sconce highlights the entire space, especially the artwork. It's small, right? But it serves a lot when it comes to lighting. The minimalist black wall sconce can serve as both lighting and decor. Another addition for lighting is the mushroom-style table lamp in muted teal on the console table. And for decor, you can add books and a ceramic vase with flowers. Now, this corridor is not just a passage, but also an area having beautiful interior design in your home. Let's now take a tour of the complete makeover. Previously, we primarily focused on urgent requests from our premium members, but lately, we've been receiving a lot of questions about our services and the cost of designing and rendering a home interior. So, to accommodate those who urgently need their home interiors redesigned and are willing to pay, we will temporarily accept priority requests even from non-premium members at a very low price. So, here's everything you need to know. Our services are incredibly affordable compared to 3D visualization artists on Fiverr. Typically, a single room render costs between $50 and $150 for just 2 to 3 renders. But with us, you can get 3 spaces, 2 revisions, 15 to 20 photo renders, and even a walkthrough for only $99. We are able to offer this affordable pricing because, with your approval, we feature your project on our YouTube channel. This helps us keep costs down while still providing you with excellent service. Also, if you need urgent design, visit our website at www.designburst24.com. If you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to share them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe.